We are having our introduction to camping here at the Natural History Museum. We're welcoming our community partners to come in and try out camping. Probably for the first time for some of the younger guests that are coming.
Learning how to set up our own tents, what kinds of materials that we need for camping, how to make dinner over a campfire.
We provide all of the gear for them, so it's a safe place to come in, camp, explore, suspend reality for a little bit because we are going to take them hiking through the Natural History Museum nature gardens as well as inside of the museum. This is real night at the museum stuff. Just dipping your toe into getting out into nature, sleeping inside of a tent, putting a tent up.
And I love the Natural History Museum, so I was like, sign me up, please.
I camped when I was a kid once, probably like 20 years ago. So technically, I would just say this is the first time. I am excited for the kids to have the experience.
But I'm excited about this more. Is there dinosaurs here?
We will simulate what it is to do field biology with bats. Bats hang from their feet. We've set up a mist net, and then I will show them how we carefully and humanely take out the bats safely for when we do studies on these individual bats. This is the humane way to very gently just untangle the bat.
The broader, bigger goal of this program is to have people open up their eyes to nature here in Los Angeles. That's all about outdoor equity.
All of these really great opportunities for Wild L.A. were funded by the California Department of Parks and Recreation through their Outdoor Equity grant.
You are a group of VIPs tonight. You're having a night at the museum. Didn't somebody say their favorite animal was a fox? Was it yours? These are sheep. We're hiking through North America. Wow, you are an excellent observer. What do you do if you see a bear, Mr. Brandon?
I really did.
Now these are some of the bats that we have in California. Bats' wings are actually all 5 of our finger bones. They have a little thumb on the end.
I'm sorry, did you call this a thumb?
I'm learning so much. There's myths that I thought about bats, as childish as it may seem. I really did think that they all drink blood. Today I learned that they eat fruit, they pollinate hemp, cotton. They're very important to the ecosystem. We need them. The passionate people that are running the program, the way that they're trying to educate as well as make it fun for the kids, keep them engaged, learning without them thinking that they're learning, the fire that they have when they're talking about things that they know. It's an experience, man. Seriously.
How was the hike? And you deserve this tasty camping treat. S'mores to me is my favorite part of camping.
I feel like camping is an experience that every kid can enjoy. And again, it doesn't take much to do it.